What amazes me about the research track is just what people have been able to do after they graduate. So we've had fellows who graduate into successful careers, not only in basic and translational science, clinical epidemiology, but we've had fellows with that research track experience also enter careers in healthcare policy, and being in the Bay Area, have had competitive positions at biotechnology firms and private industry.
The breadth of research that is across our 3 campuses is pretty amazing. It includes basic science, genetics, developing biomarkers for kidney health services research, and then implementation research.
As a research fellow, I was able to complete a master's in clinical research, which is a structured program over 2 years where we take didactics and join seminars discussing how to design and critique clinical research.
I did all of my postdoctoral work, all of my fellowship work in the lab of Jeremy Reiter, and studied this portion of the cell, this organelle called primary cilia, which turn out to be incredibly important for a number of different genetic forms of kidney disease.
The KHRC stands for Kidney Health Research Collaborative, and is essentially a group of multidisciplinary investigators focused on kidney and cardiovascular disease.
It's really exciting and fun to be in the lab working with transgenic animals and cultured cells, and I'm really hoping that one day the research we're doing is going to be translational and directly help patients.
How we help mentees is essentially by, I think, helping them realize what their personal goals are.
We try to form that nexus of where is the expertise of the lab and where does this person want to go? What are the questions they want to ask, and what is the expertise that they want to build? And we use that to design a training plan and a mentorship plan for them.
Mentors provided structure to my training. So not only by how to put together my renal grand rounds, which is next week, how to communicate when talking to other experts in the field.
My mentors are very approachable, and I don't think I've ever wanted to get in contact with my mentors and not been able to. Being able to have their perspective has been invaluable.
Options for research funding to support fellows include institutional funds that are supported by the NIH and IDDK. Our program here in particular is the UTC TL1, or what we've nicknamed the Launch Program.
Aside from the salary support, it provides me with the opportunities to present my research, attend networking events, grant writing workshop, and receive grant feedback.
For my first 2 years, when I was in my mentor's lab, I was on a training grant and then was able to successfully compete for very generous grants that are UCSF specific. For those grants allowed me to open my independent lab.
By figuring out the right pathway, the right mentorship team, UCSF really is this truly customizable experience where we can get you where you want to be.